Welcome to SMT 2022. I'm here with Nico Coenen, Global BDM Electronics Market at Plastmatreat. Welcome, nice to have you here.
Well, nice to be here.
Which innovations are you having with you at SMT?
Well, we have a number of innovations. Plastmatreat is a very R&D developed company, and one of the new things that we have, and we work closely together with our customers to see what is the market needed. What we're showing here is a reduction of copper. So reduction of copper, basically you have oxide layers, and we're able to remove those oxide layers with our plasma units. And there's a number of applications in IGBT or in semiconductor where the reduction of metal or oxide layers on metals becomes quite important.
I can imagine. Which are the developments in the branch or in the market in general?
I think the general trend that we see in the market is that electronics need higher protection. There's new rules for electronics. Let's say if you have self-driving cars, the electronics you use in the self-driving cars needs to be working. You see a trend that more and more electronics are being coated or getting protected by molding or whatever. And plasma is enabling better adhesion, is better flow of the material. So we see more and more people who are using conformal coating as traditional come to us to open up the process window. So Plastmatreat really helps in getting a better adhesion, but also eliminates bubbles or delamination in the process.
How has your business developed over the last 2 years?
We had actually during the Corona a very steep development. I started about 4 years and a half ago, and it was we had some applications within electronics, but now we have really good applications and really good customers that are really driving the business extremely high. We are doing really well in semiconductor applications where we have a number of applications where the benefits of open air plasma versus vacuum plasma is really differential. We see a lot of business in that topic, and in general, I think we had a record year last year, so we're really happy with how things are going right now.
Okay, what is the difference between vacuum and open air plasma?
It's a very good question, and a lot of people only know vacuum, especially in the semiconductor industry. The vacuum plasma is very well established. There's many applications where you have before die bonding, wire bonding, molding, where a vacuum plasma is being used. The big difference with open air is that you can integrate it into existing production lines. In most cases, the vacuum process is a batch process. So you have your magazines, and then you go to the vacuum chamber, and then you take it out, and you go to the next process. The open air process can be done in line, which is a big benefit because you can do the plasma and then directly the next step. So you don't have any difference in quality, because sometimes if you have a full magazine, the first lead frame is showing very good quality. The last lead frame, maybe an hour later, is not the same quality. And with an open air system, when you integrate it into the production line, I mean, it's plasma and straight on to the next. And that is one big advantage. The other big advantage is the speed. Typically, vacuum processes take quite some time. We can run at very high speeds and do plasma treatment in seconds. So these are the two major advantages of open air, I would say, compared to vacuum.
Thank you very much, and a successful fair.
Thank you.